Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening from wherever you are watching from. So in today's video, we are going to be looking at how to prepare creamy spinach with cauliflower. If it is your first time on the channel, you are welcome. Feel free to subscribe, like, share with your family and friends. So you can have this with our sweet fried cassava. You can have this with fried plantain. Plantain frittata. You can have this alongside your brunch. You can have it as a side veggie. So feel free to just serve it in whichever way you would love to have it with your family and loved ones. So these are the greens I used in this recipe. Like you can see, these are collard greens, but the spinach works just fine as well in this recipe. So start by cutting up the collard greens into small pieces. Help me grow by subscribing, like the video, and leave a comment below. Don't forget to turn on your notification to be notified whenever I post a new video. So once we are done, you transfer them to a draining basket. I love this basket because like it eases the work when you are washing those veggies, those greens that you have chopped up. So wash them until you feel they are clean and then let them sit aside for later. Here we move on to the onion that we are going to be using in this recipe. It is a red onion, but feel free to use a yellow, white onion or shallots. They work just fine too. And here we have 5 to 6 cloves of garlic. You can do like up to 7 to 8 cloves of garlic. I love that garlic smell and flavor in my meals. Then here I'm mixing up a quarter cup of milk, quarter cup of heavy cream, and flour. Then mix all that up until there are no lumps in there, because this is what we are going to use. It is what is going to make our greens creamy. And so mix up all that until you are good to go. So I had been to the market, and my grocery lady, like always, had tipped me with this cauliflower. And since I did not have any recipe to prepare it with, I decided to add it into these greens because I was craving for the creamy spinach, because the last time I had it, it was really nice. So I promised myself I'll be making it again. So here, once you are done with your cauliflower, wash it and then keep it aside. Here in a pan, we melt 2 to 3 tablespoons of butter, and then we are going to add in our onions and cook them until they are caramelized just a little bit. The reason we use butter, it is because it adds in that creaminess in this creamy spinach. Also, it has a very nice flavor as well that it adds in our meals. So cook the onions until you are good to go. Then here we add in our garlic. If at all you have ginger and garlic paste, works just fine as well in this recipe. So we are going to cook the garlic and ginger as well for like 2 to 3 minutes before we add in our collard greens that we already chopped and washed and placed aside to drain just a little bit. Then we added in as well the cauliflower. It is already in the pan. So here we are going to cook on low heat. So reduce your heat and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. At this rate, you can cover up your greens until they are well steamed, like you can see there in the video, and you are good to go. Remember, these are vegetables. You don't have to cook them for so long. So at this rate, like you can see, the greens are like almost ready. So we are going to keep them aside for later when we are going to be adding them back into our mixture. So here we start onto the mixture that we made of flour, milk, and also the cream. So I added in a little bit of butter and then melted that up, and then started adding in my mixture and cook on low heat until the mixture is ready. So at this rate, make sure that you continuously keep on stirring this mixture to avoid the lumps in there. Remember, there is flour that we used in the mixture, and flour thickens up. So if you do not keep on mixing all that up continuously or every now and then, it will automatically bring lumps in there. I added a little bit of salt and then went ahead to mix on low heat. Make sure that you are able to reduce your gas to very low heat. So once you are sure there are no lumps in there, you go ahead to add in the collard greens and cauliflower that we had earlier cooked and placed aside, like you can see there in the video. Let me know what you think about this video in the comment section. So you can go ahead to add a little bit of milk at a time, just a little bit gradually as you mix until you get the consistency of the creamy spinach that you want to have. So like you can see there in the video, I added just a little bit as I go on to mix, and before you know it, you are good to go. Like you can see there, your creamy spinach, creamy collard greens with cauliflower, whichever you want to call it, it is ready, and it is ready to be served, to be enjoyed with your family and friends. You can serve this alongside any meal of your choice, and you are good to go. So I hope you like the video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Let me know what you think about the video in the comment section. It is creamy and thick and so tasty. So let me know what you think about the video in the comment section. Until next time, thanks for watching.